What's up, Kia Too Technical? I'm back again with another video, and today in this video I'm just going to show you some tips and tricks you could do with your control camera button here. So as you all know, if you go in here and you click it, it brings you straight to the camera, and then you have access to using it to take pictures and take video and so on and so on. But if you didn't know, if you go into your settings, because I just found this out for myself, if you go into your settings, scroll down to where it says camera, and if you click on camera control, and here it gives you some other choices that you can use with this camera. So you can do the single click, which is this one click brings you to the camera, or you can come back here and do double click. Let's see here. Double click it and it'll bring you to the camera if you don't want to do the single click. But right now I'm going to leave it on the single click. And also you can have it to where it brings up the camera, because that is what is default. That is what it is already default set to. But you can also have it to where it can bring up you a QR code scanner just like that, because that has to do with camera capability. That is nice. You also get a choice to go straight to your Instagram camera. So if you take a lot of photos in Instagram and you don't use your iPhone camera, you can have it set to go to Instagram just right off the back, and that is nice. And then, or you can have it set to nothing, to where when you click it, it does nothing. But that is nice. I'm gonna put it back on camera. I wish it'll let you set it to Snapchat. I don't know, maybe later on as it gets developed, maybe later on there'll be more apps you can use. But right now, all it is, you can set it to camera, you can set it to QR code scanner and Instagram. And like I said, you can do the single click or the double click. And you can also have light press camera controls to quickly it says light press camera controls to quickly make adjustments, double light press to select a control. So that is really cool, and I just wanted to bring that little tip and trick to your mind if you have not already played with that. Because like I said, I just happened to go to my settings app, and then I seen camera, and then I went into camera to check some of my camera settings, and I scrolled up. I said, wait a minute, this says camera control, and I clicked onto it, and that's where I had all of these other little suggestions that I could use. So I hope you found this video helpful. In the comment section below, let me know your thoughts on those little tricks that you can do and different apps you can use, and let me know some apps you would like to see that you wish were available to use with that function. I hope you found this video helpful, and I will catch you in the next one. I'm out.